Hello, my amazing friends. Today I'm sharing a life-changing summary of one of the most popular personal finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book will shift your mindset about money, work, and wealth forever. 1. Two Dads, Two Mindsets. Robert had two father figures, his real dad, Poor Dad, and his friend's dad, Rich Dad. Both were smart but had completely different views on money. Poor Dad said, "Go to school, get a safe job." Rich Dad said, "Learn how money works and make it work for you." 2. The rich don't work for money. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. Instead of just earning and spending, the rich invest and grow their money. 3. Financial education is key. Schools don't teach how to manage money. That's why even smart people can be broke. Rich Dad taught Robert about assets, liabilities, and how to read financial statements. Know the difference. Assets versus liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, e.g., stocks, real estate. Liabilities take money out, e.g., loans, expensive cars. Rich people focus on building assets.
5. Mind your own business. Even if you work a 9 to 5, always build something on the side. Your job is your short-term income. Your assets are your long-term wealth. 6. The power of investing. Investing isn't just for the rich. Start small. Learn about real estate, stocks, and business. Let your money grow over time. 7. Don't let fear stop you. Most people don't invest because they fear losing money, but playing it safe keeps them poor. Take smart risks and learn from failures. 8. Work to learn, not just to earn. Don't chase salary. Build skills like sales, marketing, investing, and negotiation. These skills pay off for life.